The next part of this story gets intense, because sugar withdrawal is real and it's brutal. The symptoms mirror opioid withdrawal in many ways. Here's exactly what you can expect during the first week. Days 1 to 2 bring intense cravings and irritability. Your body is used to constant sugar hits, and suddenly they're gone. The dopamine production drops dramatically, leading to mood swings that can rival any teenagers. Your energy levels plummet as your body scrambles to adjust its fuel source. Days 3 to 4 are when the physical symptoms peak. Headaches become intense as your brain chemistry adjusts. Many people experience flu-like symptoms, body aches, chills, and fatigue. Sleep becomes disrupted. Some people report feeling feverish or having cold sweats. Your gut bacteria, which have been feeding on sugar, begin to die off, causing digestive issues. Days 5 to 7 bring the mental challenges. Depression and anxiety can spike as your brain chemistry continues to adjust. Focus becomes difficult. Simple tasks feel overwhelming. The cravings may become less intense but more psychological. You might find yourself bargaining, just one cookie won't hurt, right? The withdrawal symptoms are so severe because sugar affects multiple systems in your body. It impacts your brain chemistry, hormonal balance, gut bacteria, and energy systems. When you remove sugar, every one of these systems has to recalibrate. It's like your body and brain are learning to run on a completely different fuel source. What makes this period particularly challenging is that sugar is everywhere. Walking through a grocery store becomes like navigating a minefield. Even healthy foods often contain hidden sugars. Reading labels becomes crucial, and you'll be shocked to discover sugar hiding in everything from bread to salad dressing. The food industry has created 60 different names for sugar to confuse consumers. Any ingredient ending in "ose," like fructose, glucose, dextrose, is a sugar. So are seemingly healthy alternatives like agave nectar, coconut sugar, and honey. They all create the same addictive response in your brain. Let me break down the exact strategy I use to break free from sugar, and what I've seen work for hundreds of others. This isn't about willpower, it's about creating a systematic approach that works with your biology rather than against it. First, you need to prepare your environment. Remove all obvious sources of sugar from your home. This includes candies, cookies, sodas, and processed snacks. But don't stop there. Check your condiments, sauces, and healthy snacks. Many contain hidden sugars that can trigger cravings. Stock your kitchen with sugar-free alternatives before you begin. Focus on whole foods, proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Prepare convenient snacks like hard-boiled eggs, nuts, and cut vegetables. When cravings hit, you need easy access to appropriate alternatives. Timing matters significantly. Start your sugar detox when you have at least days with no major commitments. The first 72 hours are the most challenging, and you'll want the space to rest and manage symptoms. Many people find starting on a Thursday works well, using the weekend to get through the worst of the withdrawal. Hydration becomes crucial during this process. Your body will be releasing stored water as insulin levels decrease. Aim for a minimum of 3 liters of water daily. Add electrolytes to prevent headaches and fatigue. Herbal teas can help manage cravings and provide comfort during difficult moments. Movement helps, but intense exercise might be challenging initially. Light walking, gentle yoga, or stretching can help manage anxiety and promote detoxification without overtaxing your system. Listen to your body and adjust activity levels as needed. Another strategy is tapping. You tap with 2 fingers on specific meridian points on your face and body. These points include the side of the hand, eyebrow, temple, under the eye, under the nose, chin, collarbone, and top of the head. The first 72 hours are the most challenging, and you'll want the space to rest and manage symptoms. Many people find starting on a Thursday works well, using the weekend to get through the worst of the withdrawal. Support your body's natural detoxification systems during this transition. Ensure adequate fiber intake to help manage blood sugar and support gut health. Finally, consider supplements like magnesium and B vitamins, which often become depleted with high sugar consumption. You are in a rebuilding process. Just let it unfold. The transformation process isn't just about eliminating sugar, it's about rewiring your entire relationship with food. Your taste buds actually change during this process. After about 2 weeks without sugar, natural foods begin tasting sweeter. A strawberry becomes a dessert. An apple tastes like candy. Your body's natural ability to appreciate subtle flavors returns. The physical changes start becoming noticeable around day 10. The brain fog lifts like a curtain being drawn back. Energy levels stabilize, no more afternoon crashes or morning sluggishness. Sleep improves dramatically. Many people report their anxiety levels dropping significantly. Skin begins to clear up. Inflammation decreases throughout the body. What surprises people most is how hunger signals change. Without the constant blood sugar spikes and crashes, true hunger emerged. You recognizing real hunger versus emotional eating or sugar cravings. Your portions naturally decrease because you actually feel satisfied with less food. The science behind these changes is fascinating. Your body shifts from being a sugar burner to becoming metabolically flexible. This means it can efficiently use both fat and complex carbohydrates for fuel. This transition period is challenging, but the end result is stable energy levels throughout the day. Weight loss often occurs naturally during this process, but that's actually a side effect rather than the main benefit. The real transformation happens at a cellular level. Your mitochondria, the powerhouses of your cells, become more efficient. Your insulin sensitivity improves. Your hormonal balance stabilizes. Let me paint a picture of what life looks like beyond sugar addiction. Imagine waking up naturally, feeling refreshed without needing that sugar-laden coffee to function. Your energy remains stable throughout the day, no more afternoon crashes or desperate searches for quick energy fixes. Your relationship with food transforms completely. Meals become satisfying without needing something sweet to feel complete. Social situations that once revolved around sugar, birthdays, holidays, celebrations, become opportunities to appreciate connection rather than consumption. The physical benefits extend far beyond the initial transformation. Your risk for numerous diseases decreases significantly. Type 2 diabetes, heart disease, certain cancers, and Alzheimer's disease all show strong connections to high sugar consumption. By breaking free from sugar, you're investing in your long-term health. Your cognitive function improves dramatically. Studies show that high sugar consumption impairs memory and learning capacity. Without the constant blood sugar fluctuations, your brain operates more efficiently. Focus improves, creativity increases, and mental clarity becomes your new normal. The aging process itself slows down when you eliminate sugar. Sugar causes inflammation and glycation, a process where sugar molecules attach to proteins in your body, causing tissue damage. This affects everything from your skin's appearance to your joint flexibility. Your emotional well-being stabilizes. The constant highs and lows from sugar consumption affect your mood significantly. Without these fluctuations, anxiety often decreases, depression lifts, and emotional resilience improves. You gain a new level of emotional freedom. The journey to break free from sugar isn't easy, but it's worth every challenging moment. The transformation extends far beyond physical health. It impacts every aspect of your life. Your relationship with food, your emotional well-being, your mental clarity, and your long-term health all improve dramatically. Remember, this isn't about perfection. It's about progress and understanding the true impact of sugar on your body and mind. The food industry has spent decades engineering products to keep us addicted, but we have the power to break free from this cycle. The withdrawal period is intense but temporary. Each symptom you experience is actually a sign of healing, your body returning to its natural state of health and balance. The cravings will pass, the energy will return, and you'll discover a level of wellness you might not have thought possible. I'm sharing this information because I believe everyone deserves to know the truth about sugar and its effects on our bodies and minds. The science is clear, but the food industry continues to minimize and obscure these facts. Breaking free from sugar addiction is one of the most powerful steps you can take for your health. Subscribe to my channel for more detailed information about managing sugar withdrawal, understanding food labels, and maintaining a sugar-free lifestyle. I'll be sharing specific strategies, recipes, and the latest research to support your journey to better health. And claim our free cheat sheets and guides to help you get started. The links are in the description below. Your future self will thank you for making this change. The temporary discomfort of sugar withdrawal is nothing compared to the lasting benefits of breaking free from this addiction. Take the first step today. Your body knows how to heal, it just needs you to create the right conditions.